How to enable the function receive gifts on TikTok. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you enable the functions receive gifts on TikTok. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you will have to open your TikTok app and make sure you are logged in with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here go with the option 3 line just at the top right corner of the screen. So from here go with the options TikTok Studio, and now from here, if you are eligible to turn on that features, like you must have the limited followers and viewers on your TikTok account. So from there you will be able to see the functions like receive gifts on TikTok. So you can turn on this from here. So as you can also know the monetization process of your TikTok account. So from here you can also know the criteria to start monetizing. So right now I'm not eligible to this, so I will choose the options get notified when I'm eligible. Okay, all programs. Alright, so after you have to back from here. Alright, so this is the easiest and simplest method to do that. So if you are eligible or you have the limited followers or viewers on your TikTok account, you will be able to see that options like receive gifts on TikTok. So you have to turn on from there. And that's it. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.